And this is what we're climbing today. 14,063 feet, 2,700 feet of elevation change.
You do all this research to prepare for these hikes, but even with all of that, we fell short in preparation.
I got a really bad headache from the altitude and then ran out of water on the way back. And that's with a 100-ounce bladder.
And I packed way too many layers and was beyond exhausted at the end.
Welcome to the Mount Bierstadt Trail. This is our first 14er. And a 14er is a mountain that sits above 14,000 feet. This one happens to sit at 14,063 feet.
A little bit about this trail. The trailhead starts at 11,471 feet. It's got 2,736 feet of elevation gain. It is an out and back. It says on all trails it is 7.2 miles. However, lots of comments say that it is more like an 8 to 9 mile hike. By the end of it, we clocked 14 miles total. Yes, some of it was some back and forth to grab the camera. But when you're at the parking lot and look to the top of Mount Bierstadt, you think to yourself, is that really 3.5 miles to the summit?
No matter how tired we were, we got hooked on climbing high peaks and are already counting the days till the 2024 hiking season. There are 5 different classes of 14ers. Class 1 is an easy hike. Class 2 is with light scramble, and this hike is a Class 2 14er. We'll leave 3 through 5 and the rest of it in the description below.
A couple of safety things. If you're newer to 14ers, classes 1 and 2 are for you. There are more than 30 14ers in Colorado that are class 1 or 2 that are accessible to you. Anything above that shouldn't be attempted without experience and proper preparation, as these classes can lead to serious injuries or death if you don't know what you're doing or you're not prepared. You ready to keep going?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Here's the thing about elevation. It can make things so much more intense. So make sure that you pack extra water and give yourself extra time.
The best times to hike this trail is June through October.
There is no shade along all of this hike, so pack a hat, wear some sunscreen.
And dogs are allowed, but they must be on a leash.
I mean, look at him, he's just posing. That's amazing. We'd heard from some of the hikers coming down that there was a mama and baby mountain goat at the summit that were moving around the ridge. We were uncertain if we would see them, but then there they were, 2 beautiful, majestic creatures casually grazing on the side of the trail with not a care in the world. We'd never seen mountain goats before, so we absolutely had to admire them. I'm so obsessed with these photos and videos that I captured with my telephoto lens. mean, just look at this cutie. Mount Bierstadt is located an hour and 16 minutes from downtown Denver on I-70 to Georgetown, then up Guanella Pass.
And this area is part of the Mount Evans / Mount Blue Sky.
There are pit toilets at the parking area, although get here early because the parking lot does fill up quickly, as this is a very popular hike. You ready to keep going?
We're almost there.
So point, other further, there you go, up, there, and then over, yeah, like right there. Perfect. Walk that way and I'll walk in camera.
Okay, so what are we saying?
That's terrible.
I just hammered you.
It just nailed me.
Mount Bierstadt is part of the Front Range mountain range.
And it was first summited in 1863 by Albert Bierstadt. So now that we're done with lunch, we're gonna head back down because it's late and we're tired. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.